Hey everyone, I wanted to do a little walkthrough of an album I made. This one I made completely from scratch, including the album cover out of chipboard and then an accordion binding to attach the pages. So for this album, I used Heartfelt Creations Classic Sunflower Paper Collection, and it's just really beautiful with blues and muted yellows. So let me just do a walkthrough of the album for you. And I forgot my tripod, so I'm doing this with one hand, so hopefully this will all work out. So I'm just going to turn the album over. That is a 4-inch binding, so there's room for a lot of pictures in here. So for the cover, I added some flowers and some embellishments. I've got this nice little metal key and some wood. I used a lot of different types of media for this particular album, and this sits upright on a display shelf, so it all works really nicely. So let's just go ahead and open it up. Oops, I already dropped something. Anyways, it's just some cards for this pocket. So for the inside cover, I put in a little pocket that's popped up a little, 1/4 of an inch on the side, so there's lots of space to put plenty of pictures in here. Moving over to this side, we have a little pocket here to fit pictures, and then this actually flips open, and we've got another pocket here for more pictures, and all of these are shut with magnets. Okay. Over on this side, we put this little booklet, which also opens up. Lots of pictures in here. Lots of spots for more journaling or pictures. Okay. Come over to this side. So I have a few things happening here. So I've got this belly band and a little pocket book inside where you can have lots of pictures. It just folds out and that tucks into here. And then this is a pocket for you to add more cards and pictures and maybe some journaling. I added these Prima flowers to embellish it. Okay, over here we have another pocket, and here is just I fussy cut around some of the paper and put in some more coordinating flowers. And all of these pockets are quite deep on the side, so this one is also 1/4 inch, so you can get a lot in there. Okay, so then over here, we've got some plastic cards to hold several pictures. That's just a little waterfall. And then this opens up again, and we've got this little pocket here, which I thought was so cute. And you can just add some cards for journaling. And then this opens up yet again, and we've got another pocket over here for more pictures. So now, moving over to this side, here's another pocket with some journaling cards and some photo mats. Use some little butterflies here. Also, I made, this is just a bookmark that I put together, and this is using the Tim Holtz Oxide inks, Oxide Distress ink and stamps. Okay, then on this side, we've got, this flips open, so space for lots of pictures here. And then another belly band and some more pictures. Picture mats underneath. All right, now on this side, I've got another pocket with some little cards. So you can either put little pictures on these or use them as photo mats. So that tucks in there. And then this actually opens up and space for some more photos there. Okay, now moving over to this side, I've got another pocket page. So I've got lots of pictures in here, lots of storage space. And then this flips open, and we've got more space, another little pocket to put in some cards down here. And then finally, we've got our back 2 pages. So this you can mount a photo over on this side, and then this just opens up. You've got some more spaces for pictures and journaling. And then finally on the back page, just a nice fold open with pockets for you to put in all your photos. So I hope you enjoyed that little walkthrough. This is a really sturdy album, so I'll just give you a view from the top, and there's lots and lots of space for you to put various pictures in. So there you go.